completed the braiding of my hair. I know it's a mess, don't mind that. I like to braid my hair messy because I like my braids to be loose. I like to be able to get in it. I don't like a lot of tension on my braids. So with the IB method for the flip over, you have to do an anchor braid, which I have right here, and it goes all the way around to the back. Now I'm going to show you the back of my hair. And like I said, it's messy, but I can't see the back, so, and as long as it's flat. So you don't really have to worry about it. You just want to have a strong anchor braid because that braid is what's going to secure the net on, and then when you're braiding your weave, you're going to be attaching the hair to your net and not to your actual braids. So long as this braid here is really strong, then you're fine. I've already co-washed the hair using my favorite Whole Blends conditioner. I detangled it with my hands and then I brushed it through using my Denman brush, letting the hair air dry. So my whole bundle is in. And I started on the second bundle. And I think at this point in Ivy's video, this is when you start taking the tracks this way. So instead of going from here to here, you're going to go starting in the back from here to here. So we're going to do that until we get to the portion that we have to do the flip over portion method. So I'm going to start doing them from here to here, starting from the back. Guys, I forgot to tell you, when I first started sewing the tracks, I sewed them from ear to ear. That's very important. Didn't mean to leave that part out. So we're getting to the finish line. I still have this little piece right here that's left to do. So now we're gonna start doing where we have to cut our pieces and add them this way, here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about this little space right here for my braid. But I'm pretty sure my flip over method is gonna go this way, so it should be able to be here. So I'm gonna just start sewing these pieces this way, and one of the things that she said to make sure we do is to connect, see where this track is at, to connect this track to this track. That will keep when you're flipping from people being able to see your tracks. So I'm going to start doing that now. I found this part to be a little bit difficult, guys. As you can see, I keep having to like readjust my hands and readjust how I'm trying to sew the track in. Once I got it though, everything went smooth. I just cut a whole bunch of pieces of track and began just like sewing them in one after another. A million cut tracks later, and I finally, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right here. It's right here. Don't mind my broken nail. It's right here. And I'm gonna be placing the final track right there. I know she said something about sewing the last track that you're putting on with that track. I'm not sure. I'm just ready to be done this. So I'm talking to you guys while I do it. So I didn't use the whole 2 bundles. I used, well, I'll show you in a second, but it was definitely more than a half. And the curls are huge, which can happen. I think it's more because I've been fussing with the hair, sewing it. So if I like go and wet it with like water and a little bit of conditioner in it, it should like give me more non-frizzy curls. What would I call those curls? More short curls, like how the curls were when before I separated the bundle. I don't mind these though. I'm going to Belize, so it's going to be perfect for the beach, and I don't see myself, you know, worrying about my hair being wet every day. But probably afterwards, I'm pretty sure it's going to need a lot of maintenance on a daily basis if I don't want to have like a really big curls. If I want more timid curls, I'll have to wet it with the conditioner, the water conditioner mixture. Like spray it with a spray bottle and put like just a little bit of conditioner in it, and then use a Denman brush. And what I like to do is after I spray it, I brush it through with the Denman brush, and then I'll take like an old t-shirt and I'll gather and gather and gather and gather to get the water out. So you don't want to fuss with it too much, because it'll do the same thing that it did now, and it'll become bushy. I'm gonna just sew this last strap, and then hopefully you're done. Never know you're done until you're done. Okay, I'm all done. So I just took like a 1/2 inch curling iron, and for these little pieces, I just wrapped it around like 2 minutes, and yeah, that's it. But I'm probably gonna flexi wand it for my vacation. I'm probably just gonna put like leave-in conditioner and just let the natural curls blend. Whew, I don't know if I was ready for this birthday vacation hair, but it's a lot of hair, and I didn't even use the whole 2 bundles. And look how full it is. Like, it's really full of hair left. Like, I'm gonna double it. Still had this much left. The sun is about to set, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get you a video of it in the sun. I'll leave the link for Ivy's video below for more detailed instructions. Check out my Belize travel guide if you want to see how I wore my hair in Belize. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you, babes, for watching.